All right, so here's our room all closed up. We got a couple of bins in here. The bathroom is all ready to go. It's shut. Those things might slide around a little, but that's all right. They're not breakable. And those things need to be picked up. The loft is ready to go. Nemo wants to go outside. The kids' room is all closed up. And we have a couple of things stored right here. This slide is all closed up. Can't get in there. I just have the water running so Brandon can flush the tanks. And yeah, then we just got to bring this one in, but I won't be able to get in here. So we're waiting until last minute.
Thank you, buddy. Sorry. Thank you. Yes.
Sweet. Woo! We did it.
Put the ladder in there. Oh, you're right. Yeah, back that.
And the power. What about the power cord?
Oh, hey, we should probably unplug the power cord. Oh, yeah. Well, we gotta wait till you gotta know where you gotta go up or down, right? It'll run on the battery. Yeah.
Did you do the propane tank?
Yeah, one strapped in and one over there by the garbage.
Okay. That's our internet.
Oh.
It'll go in there. One done. That's the tall one up there. Whoa!
You can probably let go of the other one. And whip it around, yeah.
It's the cable cord. He's just gonna whip it. It's okay, yeah, it's okay. Do you want me to climb up the back of the trailer? You want me to climb up the back of the trailer?
We got it.
Okay.
I need to get the...
On the radio.
Okay, hang on, I'll get you.
Okay. It's not, don't go yet. Hang on just a second.
Yeah, let's keep contact on the radio though.
Okay, sounds good.
Door handle in.
Oh, yeah. Lift and push. Lift and push. Yep.
Those silly little things that you forget.
Go.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
No, there's one other.
Okay, we're clear. We got a whole crew of helpers here. Yeah. Turn your wheel a little bit so the trailer comes to the right.
One more time.
Turn your wheel so the trailer comes a little to the right.
This way.
Actually, no, you're good. Just keep going the way you are. You're good. Because we want it to swing wide. So you're good. Just keep going straight. Maybe try to turn your wheel so the trailer's not coming to the right.
Okay, hold on, hold on.
You're looking great. Straight back, go ahead. Just... You got plenty of room to go straight. Oh, you got a rock in your tire. There you go. Woohoo! Good job, baby. I know.
I said, no, have him go that way and then back it in.
Yeah, I know that it was definitely gonna hit the rocks and the fence. Look at you, cute Nemo.
Where'd Jackie go? Is he on the other side?
Yeah, he's right there. Oops.
Keep going.
Here, do you want the walkie-talkie, Grandpa?
Yeah, because you don't talk very loud. Okay,
You just push that side button to talk. Yep.
oh, it's got this clump of stuff. Is the only thing.
It'll go over it, I think. Yeah, it's heavy enough.
Rocks are just dirt.
I think it's just dirt. Yeah, it'll go down.
Yeah, it's down.
Yeah.
Got the select right there, it's down.
Yeah, there's no bricks or anything in there.
This is the part he won't find fun.
Yeah.
Harder, hard, hard.
Hard, hard.
He's watching the front of the truck too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Watch the fence on this side. Straighten it out.
the other way.
I don't think it'll go anymore. Now we just have to level it.